Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to find the email address of your Netflix account. We will also cover what to do if you have forgotten your password. Quick security note: Netflix will never show you your current password in plain text. Instead, I will guide you through the secure reset process. Let's get straight to it. Now, if you are already logged into your Netflix on any device, like your computer or TV, finding your email is easy. Here is how to do it from a PC web browser. So first, go to netflix.com and make sure that you're signed in. Now, from the home screen, hover your mouse over your profile icon at the top right-hand corner. And in the drop-down menu, you should be able to see an option called Account. Click on it. Now, on the account page, you will see your email address listed clearly at the top under Membership. And you can copy the email or write it down if you need it. It's totally up to you. So now, what if you have forgotten your password? Let's say, for example, if I click on this password option, you can see the password will not show here. Now, if you have saved your password in the browser itself, that's a completely different topic, because only then your password will be shown, as you can see here. There are some dots here that means my password is saved in the browser, but you cannot see it directly.
You can always go to your password manager to view the Netflix password saved in your browser. So this is the only possible way to see your password on Netflix without changing anything. But let's say you have completely forgotten your password. So first, go to your Netflix login screen, and if you're already logged in, you'll need to sign out first. Now, from the login screen itself, simply click on the Forgot Password option to reset your password. And the most common ways are via email or a text message if your number is linked. So simply choose your option. Let's say, for example, email. You can paste your email address here, then simply click on Email Me, and after that, a verification link or a password reset link will be sent to you on the email address that you added here. But the important part is the email address that you entered here should be the exact one that is linked with your Netflix account. Any other email address will not work, so keep that in mind. So once you receive the email for the reset, click on that email, and then it'll bring you to a new page where you'll have two options. First is add a new password, and then you have to re-enter that new password.
And then you simply enter both of them, and then simply click on Save. And after doing that, you are all done. Your password has been successfully reset. You can now go back to your login page and sign in with your email address and new password. And this time you can also remember or write your password down somewhere for future use. So that's it. You now know how to find your account email ID, and more importantly, how to securely reset your password if you ever forget it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.